Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. It's time for another unboxing. This came in on loan from Lenovo. This is their new smart clock that is a Google Assistant in a smaller form factor than what we've seen in some of these other screen-based assistants. So we're going to unbox it now and then have a full review on my main channel at lon.tv. And what's funny about this is how tiny it is. I was surprised that it's as small as it is when I just opened the box up here. So it's got that look that we've seen on some of these other Google devices. It's got the carpet on it. I think there's a few other colors available. And this is being billed as something that you would use on your nightstand as an alarm clock. There are no cameras on it, but of course there are the far-field microphones for communicating with it because that is the primary means of accessing the devices to talk to it. So that is the clock itself. And what else do we have in the box here? I'm guessing a power cord. There you go. It's got a decently long cable there. Have a larger power brick to it. And then it looks like there are some instructions here too for doing all the things you're going to do with it. Let's take a look at the unit itself. We got the touch display here on the front. Of course, you're going to be talking to it more than touching it. You've got your volume up and down here for controlling the sound that comes out of it. You have your power input there. They have a physical mute switch here for the microphone, so you could disable the microphone with a switch, which will prevent it from hearing you. And then there's a USB port here for charging your phone and other devices, so it can work as a charger in addition to everything else. So I'm going to plug it in here real quick and see what happens when we first boot it up. Why not, right? So let's get down here to my power strip and plug the power cord in, and we'll attach the cable to the front to see what that screen looks like, and hopefully it will come to life here pretty quickly. Maybe I got to push a button or something. Let's see. I'll hold down the plus button here and see if it powers up. All right. Well, I'm going to take a little break. Oh, there it goes. And now it's booting up. So it's got a little MediaTek processor inside of it, so it's not going to be a super fast device. And like many of the other Google devices we've looked at, this is running, I think, a version of Android, but not one that you can install apps on. So you'll get access to media, you'll get access to your photos and everything, but you won't have apps that you can install on here like you would on an Android device. So I got to set it up here right now to get it going. The screen does look pretty nice. It looks like it's an IPS display. Not bad there. Cost on this is $79. This might be a stocking stuffer kind of gift. So let me get this going here, and we'll have a full review coming up soon on the main channel at lon.tv. Stay tuned.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold-level supporters, the Four Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, Brian Parker, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.